Welcome to the French fries production line, where fresh potatoes are transformed into the crispy fries we all love. The journey begins at the collection tank feeder, where potatoes are gently moved onto the conveyor system, ensuring a smooth start to the process. Next, the potatoes enter the washing machine, where they are thoroughly cleaned to remove any dirt or debris from the fields. This washing ensures the potatoes are prepared for the following steps, free from any impurities. Once washed, the potatoes move through a conveyor line with basin assembly, where they are rinsed to ensure no residues remain, keeping the product pristine and ready for peeling. In the steam boiler, steam is generated to aid the peeling process. This high-pressure steam is crucial for ensuring efficiency in the next stage. The steam peeling system then takes over, using rapid steam bursts to remove the potato skins. This method is not only efficient but also helps preserve the potato's integrity, reducing waste and ensuring a high-quality product. After peeling, the potatoes are sliced in the cutting machine. The cutting process is precise, ensuring that each potato is uniformly sliced into the perfect French fry shape, ready for the next stages of processing. Following cutting, the fries enter the blanching process, where they are briefly boiled to achieve the ideal texture. This step is essential for ensuring that the fries cook evenly when fried later on. Once blanched, the fries are dried using an air drying system. This removes excess moisture, preparing the fries for frying and ensuring they achieve the perfect crispy texture. In the frying process, the fries are cooked to a golden perfection. Careful control of temperature and oil quality ensures that each batch comes out with the ideal crispiness and flavor. After frying, the fries are cooled in the cooling stage, allowing them to stabilize before packaging. This ensures the product remains fresh and maintains its texture during storage and transport. The journey concludes in the packaging stage, where the fries are portioned into various packaging types, such as resealable bags or family-sized packages, ready to hit the shelves. From raw potato to perfectly crisp French fries, each step in this process is designed with care, precision, and a commitment to quality. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the French fries production line.